Do you ever wonder why, despite working hard, you're still not successful? You see others achieving their goals, while you feel stuck. Today, I'm going to reveal the real reason you're not successful yet, and exactly what you can do to fix it. Most people believe success comes from luck, talent, or connections. But the real problem is often your habits and mindset. You might be inconsistent, easily distracted, or afraid to take risks. Maybe you set goals, but never follow through. You keep waiting for the perfect moment while life passes by. The frustration builds, and soon you start doubting yourself. Here's how to fix it. Define clear goals. Write down exactly what you want, why it matters, and a deadline. Focus on high-impact actions. Stop doing busy work. Identify the tasks that actually move you towards success. Build consistency. Daily progress beats occasional effort. Even small actions compound over time. Eliminate distractions. Social media, negative people, and procrastination are success killers. Protect your time. Adopt a growth mindset. Treat failures as feedback, not proof of inadequacy. Learn, adjust, and move forward. Let me tell you about a young entrepreneur who kept failing in his startups. He blamed the market, luck, even timing. One day, he decided to analyze his own habits. He realized he was inconsistent and reactive. He created a clear plan, prioritized his actions, and stuck to it daily. Within a year, he launched a successful business. The key was self-discipline and focused effort, not luck. Success isn't reserved for a few lucky people. It's the result of clear goals, consistent action, and the willingness to learn from failure. Start today, not tomorrow. If this video inspired you to take control of your success, hit subscribe for more motivational strategies. Comment below the one change you'll implement today, and actually do it.